Here is a work done problem with two variables. A gardener can mow a lawn in 9 hours. When his assistant aids him, it takes the two together only 6 hours to complete the job. How long does it take the assistant to mow the lawn by himself? So let's say that it takes the assistant X hours to complete the job, right? So let X be So let's define a variable. We say let X be the number of hours for assistant to complete the job, right? Now let's make a table to kind of summarize the whole thing. So as far as the gardener is concerned, how much job will a gardener do in 1 hour? A gardener can mow a lawn in 9 hours. So in 1 hour, gardener will mow 1/9 of the lawn. Do you understand? 1/9 of lawn. When his assistant aids him, it takes together only 6 hours, right? So together when they work, they complete the job in 6 hours. So time together they work is 6 hours. How about the assistant? As far as assistant is concerned, we are assuming that alone it takes 6x hours for assistant to complete the work. So in 1 hour, how much work will be completed? 1 over x, correct? And when they work together, they work for 6 hours each. And in that case, what fraction of work is being done by both of them? The fraction of work done by the gardener is 6 times 1/9, right? It is 1/9 of 6. And by the assistant, it is 1 over x times 6, right? And when they work together, the total job is done. And therefore, our equation is 1 over 9 of 6 plus 1x times 6 is equal to 1, right? So that is how we get our equation for the total work done. Now let's solve this equation. So we can multiply by x and then simplify this. So we get 6 over 9 could be written as 2 over 3. Let's say 2 over 3 plus 6 over x equals to 1, right? Let's take it on the other side and solve the equation. So the common denominator is 3x. We'll multiply by 3x and we get 2x plus 18 equals to 3x. That means 18 equals to 3x minus 2x, or x is equals to 18. So it takes assistant 18 hours to complete the job by himself. So the time taken is 18 hours for the assistant. So that is how we are going to solve this problem. Let's have a quick look at what we did here. So initially we assumed that it takes x hours for assistant to complete the work alone. Now when they are working together, so that is when they work together for 6 hours, they can complete the job. Now since gardener can finish the work in 9 hours, so in 1 hour, so this is in 1 hour, I should write 1 hour. This is the speed with which gardener is working, 1/9 of a lawn. And the speed with which assistant works is 1/6 of a lawn per hour, right? They work for 6 hours, so time you get multiplied, right, with the speed to get total job done. So 1/9 times 6 is the total job. This is the total fraction of job which is done by the gardener. And as far as the assistant is concerned, 6 over x is the job done by the assistant. And when they work together, they complete the whole job, which is 1. And that is how we get our equation here. Do you see that? And now it's problem just to solve the equation and get the answer. So in every work done problem, what we need to do is we need to find an equation which relates job done in 1 unit of time. So once you get that, then treat it as a rate, right? So that is the rate for you. Rate into time gives you the total job done, and that forms the equation. Okay, thank you.